Alright, here we have a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali with a big 6.2 V8 in it. It has the factory split dual exhaust system on it. We left all that alone, left the factory resonators on there. You can see it comes over the axle. Well, you really can't see it good there, but it does come out of the single muffler and splits to a dual. We've got a little change up here. A customer wanted to get a little sound out of it, so put a Flowmaster 40 on it. It should wake it up a little bit. Not like the straight pipe guys, you don't want to wake up the neighborhood, so just a little good clean tone to it. Should give it a good deep throaty sound to it. Let's see what it sounds like. There you go, that woke it up a bit. Be just what the customer asked for. I like it. Sounds really good. Nice and healthy sounding.